Alright, if you got the Whirlpool LED component with no tabs on the side, you're trying to figure out how to get this thing off, this unit. First, you take this front piece off, screw right here, Phillips screwdriver, take it off, pull it out pretty easy. The second step's where everyone's gets tripped up without these tabs. Basically, right here, right above this piece, it clips in. Stick a butter knife in over there, or a screw, and then kind of jam at it a little bit. Pop it right out. And then you're going to want to take this switch right here, get that, pull that out, good to go. And then pop it back in. Gotta line these two back pieces up. Alright, so line those up. So you go in right. Line these tabs. Push it back in, pop it in. Like so. And then you put this back on. Once you screw that back on, you're good to go.